Yeah, peeps, welcome back to the Wise Choice channel. This is your boy, Mr. Wise Choice himself. Yeah, I'll be looking about some prime roast round, pot roast beef, Yeah, and this is the prime round, as they call it. Very nice texture. This one don't come out too dry, and it don't really take long to cook. So I've actually put some piercing in it, so when I season it, it will go right through the meat so it can soak, because I'll be soaking this overnight in the fridge, so it will be fully marinated. Yeah, peeps, so right now I'm going to be using my NutriBullet, and I have my garlic in here, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper as usual, and pimento seeds. Alright, and some thyme. So I'll be blending all of this, which I'll be adding after that some salt, a tablespoon of salt. This is my jerk seasoning, and some black pepper. So check it out when I'm adding all of that, peeps. Yeah, peeps, as I tell you, I'll be doing my blending, my special blend in my NutriBullet. So I tell you, I have my onion, my garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, my thyme, my pimento in this, and some special jerk seasoning, and salt and black pepper. So this is yeah, peeps, look at that. Yeah, man. Look at that, peeps. Pretty. So I'll be throwing this over the pot roast right now and let this marinate in overnight. Check it out. Yeah, peeps. Look at that. Nice. So by tomorrow morning, with all the piercing, this will be fully soaked. Yeah, man, this is how Mr. Wise Choice do it. This is my style, So I've put in a lot of piercing in the pot roast, so everything will just soak in. So the meat will be fully seasoned, very nice to taste. Yeah, man, so check it out when I put it in the pot. I'm going to brown it, and then I'm going to cook it down. Slow cook, nice and smooth. So just check that out. Look at that, peeps. Pretty. Yeah, man. Lovely. Lovely. Yeah, man. Alright, peeps, so I'm going to make this marinate till tomorrow morning. So check it out when I'm browning it. So check it out, peeps. Stay tuned. Yeah, peeps, so I'll be doing some rice and peas. So I put my red peas in the pot here. It's about a pint of peas. So I'll be pressuring it now for the rice and peas. Alright, so check it out. Peeps, so pressure the peas so it's nice and soft now. So I've added in some more water, scallion, garlic, and thyme. So we're going to get this cooked, and some pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. So we're going to get this cooked, and then we'll be adding in the rice. Alright? This is the next process of making a rice and peas. Alright, peeps? Come on. Yeah, peeps. So you see I've added in my rice now. Some butter, the flavoring. Look at that, peeps. Come on. Good old rice and peas. Yeah, so the next thing I'll be doing is adding in some good old coconut milk. So I'm not ready for that yet. So when I added that, make you see what's going on. Alright? Cool. Yeah, peeps, as I said before, I've been now added in my coconut milk. Yeah, peeps, look at that. Wow. Real nice. Real nice. So look when they're soaking. Look at that rice and peas, peeps. Lovely. Yeah, man. Jamaican style, white choice style. This is how we do it, peeps. Yeah, man. So check me when it's finished. Yeah, peeps, see it there? All finished. Rice and peas. Look at that, peeps. Looking real good. Yeah, man. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Rice and peas. Coconut milk. Nice. Blessed. Peeps, so I'll be putting in my pot roast now to brown. And that's how we do it, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to make this brown up now. And then I'll cook it down. So you'll see all of that. So that looks it. Beautiful. Well seasoned. To the bone, even though there is no bone, you know. That's how we do it. White stripe. Yeah, peeps, look at that. Yeah, man, that's a nice charred brown on the pot roast. So I'll be adding in some water now. With some more seasoning and a little browning. Yeah, peeps. So I'm just going to let that cook down right now until finished. Look at that, peeps. Pretty. Yeah, man. So this will cook down until finish. Then I'll show you when it's finished and I'm slicing it up. Okay, peeps? Well, I know some amount of water right now for some of white choice pot roast. Yeah, man. Pot roast prime round this. Yeah, man. Check it out. Yeah, peeps. This is the finished product. Pot roast beef with my rice and peas, avocado and some veg, lettuce, tomato and some carrots and a nice tall glass of lemonade. Peeps, look at that. Wow. Beautiful. That is how Mr. Wise Choice do it. So pot roast beef. So we'll do it. Wise Choice, Yardman style. So peeps, thanks for watching. Again, remember to like, share and subscribe. Greatly appreciate. Remember to hit the notification bell. Share with friends and family to subscribe to Wise Choice channel. They are greatly appreciated. Until next time, God bless you all. Bless up.